Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can verify PayPal business account. So let's jump right in. Log into your PayPal account. Head to the PayPal website or app and log in using your business account credentials. Access payment methods. Once logged in, navigate to the section that manages your payment methods. Under Business Profile, and click on Money, Banks, and Cards. Link Bank Account. Locate the option to link a bank account. It might be labeled Bank Accounts, Link a Bank, or a similar option within the Payment Methods section. Enter bank details. Carefully enter your bank account details, including the account number, routing number, and account type checking or savings. Ensure all information precisely matches your bank records to avoid delays. Confirm bank account. PayPal will initiate the verification process after entering your details. This process might involve either of the following. Small deposit. PayPal may send two small deposits, usually under $1 each, to your linked bank account. Temporary charge. Alternatively, PayPal might temporarily charge your linked debit or credit card associated with the bank account. Verify deposit amount or charge. Check your bank statement or online banking portal. Once you identify the deposits or temporary charge from PayPal, look for small amounts typically under $1. Note the exact amounts. Enter verification amount. Return to your PayPal business account and locate the verification section for the linked bank account. Enter the exact amounts of the deposits or the temporary charge, depending on the verification method used by PayPal. Confirmation. Once you enter the correct amounts and confirm, PayPal will verify your bank account. You should receive a confirmation message on your PayPal account. Use Verified Bank Account. Now that your bank account is verified, you can use it for transactions on your PayPal business account. This could include receiving customer payments, sending payments to vendors, or withdrawing funds.